Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Halloween Jello shots. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is 1 cup of boiling water and 1 orange flavored Jello. Mix that for 2 minutes or until it's dissolved. Next, you're going to add half cup of water to that and half cup of vodka. Mix it together. Now you can make this to how you want. You can put less water and more vodka, or more vodka and less water. It's up to you. But for me, this is the perfect amount. You're going to need 20 of these little cups and they measure 2 ounces. A good tip is to just put them on a baking sheet because that just makes them easy to carry. You are going to fill each one halfway. I got these cups off of Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below for you. Sometimes it's hard to judge how much I'm putting, so I just go back and fill each one evenly. Put this in the refrigerator to chill for 45 minutes. Now for the next flavor, you're going to need 1 cup of boiling water and 1 package of grape flavored Jello. Mix that for 2 minutes or until it's completely dissolved. Next, we're going to add half cup of water and half cup of vodka like we did before. Mix that really well. Repeat the process and just pour this evenly in each cup. Man, I was on a roll. I was doing so good until I reached the last one and realized I didn't have any for the last one, so I took a spoon and steal a little bit from each one. Hey, nobody's gonna know. Now you're going to refrigerate this for 4 hours or until it's completely firm. Look how cute they are. You can leave it just like this. Just pop the lid on and you're good to go. But I'm going to take it an extra step and put some whipped cream on top and a little sprinkles. I just love these. I love the color. Look out, you guys. It's about to get scary in here, so brace yourself. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.